Stuck in the ebook writing rut? Your solution is just a click away with the How to Write eBooks with ChatGPT guide. Uncover a wealth of ebook writing tips and techniques that simplify your journey from blank page to published author. This guide is not merely a guide. It's your gateway to mastering the art of ebook creation using ChatGPT's AI-powered capabilities. The How to Write eBooks with ChatGPT guide dives deep into automated ebook writing, offering a step-by-step guide that unveils the secrets of effortlessly crafting compelling content. Whether you're a seasoned author or a budding writer, this guide is designed to elevate your ebook writing process, ensuring each word you write resonates with your readers. Embrace a new era of self-publishing with ChatGPT. The How to Write eBooks with ChatGPT guide is more than just a guide. It's your companion in navigating the landscape of AI ebook writing. Discover how to write ebooks fast, without compromising on quality, ensuring your readers are hooked from the first page to the last. Don't let the hurdles of traditional ebook writing hold you back. Click the link below to download your How to Write eBooks with ChatGPT guide and step into a realm of ease, efficiency, and excellence in ebook authoring. Remember, success in the ebook domain is a blend of the right guidance and action. Your journey towards becoming a recognized author begins with a single click. Seize the opportunity to redefine your ebook writing journey now. Click the link below to download the How to Write eBooks with ChatGPT guide and take the first step towards your success.